What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have the part for the Veilside Rx-7. Now, if you caught the previous video, I bought one of these, it showed up, and it was actually for a Supra. I don't know how I screwed that up, but we finally got the new part in from Tomei. This is a new titanium mid-pipe that's gonna really increase the volume and kind of get more of that rotary sound. Now, as you guys have been commenting in almost every single video, you guys want more out of this Veilside, and what I'll promise you is just that. I'm not gonna tell you what, I'm not gonna tell you when, I'm not gonna tell you how, but I will say, the epic Veilside build that you guys want is coming. Just sit tight. And we're trying to utilize the stock platform and utilize what the car just comes with and utilize full bolt-on stuff while we can. So today, that's what we're gonna be doing. And we have this beautiful exhaust piece from Tomei. Oh, it looked beautiful in the photos. Let's see if it looks just as great in person. I know, there's no knife.
Dylan says, what's a knife? 2 fingers, Dylan?
It's not fair. We've all seen Dylan's fingers. We know that they are like, not even fingers, they're kind of, ooh, that looks pretty good.
Nice. Nice. Coke.
Nice Coke. No, you come here. No, you come here. That looks really nice. Let me just grab this $50 off the table. Check this out. Whoa! Terpski's got a little bit of a leak. Or as Dylan says, looks like someone painted it gloss black.
Are you ready for this to fall out? Are you ready for it? It's
Yep.
gonna move. Oh, it's coming.
I just had a crazy phone call about 2023 and our whole racing schedule and our like pretend race program. Are we in 2023 or 2022? We're in 2022.
You're joking, right?
Sorry, I'm not joking.
All right.
I can't tell the camera. Cut the clip. Highway to the danger zone. Da, 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 da.
Go TJ, go TJ, go.
Got it.
Oh!
Good job, Teach.
Holy shit, you're buff, dude.
You love using that pad.
I like it because it's the closest thing I can find to the surface of my palms on my hand. So if I take my gloves off, I could probably just do this with my hand.
Dilio no pro bono, dude. He's pro bono.
It's true.
I wasn't expecting that.
Just shove it in, Dylan. Just shove it. Just shove it.
Oh,
What'd you do with you and your boys on a Thursday?
The Scotcho e Pepe. Scotcho e Pepe. It's the Scotcho e Pepe. Cacao e Pepe. Scotcho Pepe.
Some Italian dude's watching like, you motherfucker!
Wait, oh my god.
And rings his bell. It's like a 2001 Space Odyssey. Nice, dude. You almost got it. There it is. Yeah, hell yeah. For a living.
Yeah, dude.
Nice. Now, if you just want to use that strength.
I want to do it.
Come on.
I can't.
No shot.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah, there you
He
go.
keeps flipping on me.
Uh-huh,
That's
yeah.
why. I can't do it.
I can do it.
Well, he said, why don't I do it? I probably can't even do it. Oh, it took my glove. Dude. F you guys.
Wow.
Now, you see me?
About a milli rock?
No. No, I can't do that.
You can't milli rock on us like this?
I
wish you would. Look at this. Look at this bung plug with some bolt smooth paste
Put it
on
in
it. Yeah, right. You wish.
If you put them both together, that's what I'll try to
Oh, God, there it is. Yes.
Sorry, there you go. That's the right one.
Oh, yeah.
And then if you put them in together.
Oh, yes, that's it. I need a thing. Find it for you. Was that a Carl Weezer meme?
No! Cal?
Calvin!
You know what that is?
Let me find it
But
Oh my fucking god, dude.
What is one of the most fundamental and important things in life? It's sleep. And if you're not sleeping good, you're probably not as happy throughout the day, you're not being as effective, and you're not performing at the rate that you could be if you were getting a good night's sleep. Today's video is sponsored by Helix Sleep. I've been sleeping on this Helix Sleep mattress for over a year now, and it's been the best decision of my whole entire life. It's always scary switching to a new mattress because you never know if you're really gonna like it. But Helix has a quiz that you can take online that is directed to figuring out what type of mattress best suits your needs. After taking the quiz, I determined that I was a back sleeper and I liked a medium firm mattress, which paired me with the Midnight Lux mattress. It's no secret that I have a very busy lifestyle, and one of my favorite things about Helix is that they ship the mattress in a box to your front door. It comes in this huge box, and you have to rip it out of the box and open the vacuum sealed bag. And when you open the bag, the air mattress inflates over the span over a few hours, and it's ready to go. Shipping is free, and they allow you to test the mattress for 100 nights. So if you end up not liking it, they'll pick it up and take it back all for free. They have finance options and flexible payments with a 10-year warranty. So there's literally no risk when purchasing a Helix mattress. And to make this deal even better, if you go to helixsleep.com/TJ Hunt, you'll get $200 off your mattress plus 2 free pillows. If that's too much to memorize, just click the links down below and get started. Thank you so much for Helix for sponsoring this video, and now let's get back to it. World's fastest titanium mid-pipe install, baby. It should really increase the volume. A lot better of an idle. And it's already warm to a certain extent, right? Pretty sure. Oh, it's not warm. It's not warm yet. Okay, we'll let it warm up. Oh, there are my eyes. My eyes. My eyes.
Give me some revs, Cal.
For a stock 13B. That's with a leaky turbo. That's epic. One more.
Wow, that's loud.
That's tight. I'm so. That's great. All right, we're gonna do an in-cabin test here. Off the rip, it's really not that much louder on the inside, which is always like really nice, which I didn't expect in the FD, because my other FD is super, super loud, but let's just roll through the gears and see how it sounds. Went through a patch of dirt, got kind of squirrely. It does these little like pops now, which is pretty awesome. Just a stock 13B, whenever we like kind of go on decel from 6,000 RPM and up, you get that little pop, pop. Feels pretty good. Feels super good. Oh, these rocks in this Veilside. I don't know if you guys can hear it as much as I can, but man, that's fucking loud. Oh, those rocks! Oh, it's so painful.
That's painful.
Oh, it's so painful.
I don't know if you guys are able to actually like really tell how loud that is through the camera, but those pops are fucking loud. That is loud.
I figured out it's the first gear red line shift. Gives a big, big bang. That's great. For a stock 13B with 142,000 kilometers, you just cannot beat that. You can't beat that. That is so sick.
dude, I think it sounds bitchin'. I
really
really like the way it sounds.
Yeah.
It just sounds super clean. It's audible. The back pops are. It's a rotary, dog.
It almost makes me not want to do what we're gonna do, just because of how cute that works. Complete AC, very smooth, stock, with big bang. But we're still gonna do it. But it almost makes me go, oh man, I'm really gonna enjoy it.
It checks all the boxes. It's raw. It's got a good feel to it. And now it's time to do some more wild stuff. You gonna put an LS in it, right?
Yeah, LS. LS. No.
Oh,
A UTZ. What's that Australian? Oh, a Bear motor. That's it.
So this was cool, but the bear is gonna be tight.
The Bear is gonna be sick. The SR20 is gonna be sick.
Ego boost, ego boost.
Dude, the FA20 boxer motor turbo. It's gonna be so cool.
I heard those were direct injected. I can't wait to put that in here. Or a 3SG. That's people with glasses. No, I'm gonna get shamed.
I wear glasses.
Oh, I quit.
You don't need to quit.
What?
Cause you're fired. I'm just kidding. I would never. I would. Ow!
You don't want me to leave, TJ.
you got strangled right now.
Yeah, that's what happens when you try and fire me.
We're gonna go film a Clips vid right now because if you're not subscribed to the Clips channel, well then what are you doing? Clips channel is where it's at.
Where you get things like this.
I'm deleting. I'm actually gonna delete this main channel for the Clips channel. So go subscribe to the Clips channel. When we reach 100,000 subs on the Clips channel, link down below.
Deleting the main channel.
Something big's gonna happen.
Fired?
All I'm gonna say about that. Who was that?
Oh, that's Forrest Gump.
Jenny, I love you.
I love you, Jenna, even though you cheat on me and do a lot of other things.
Lieutenant Dan.
I didn't mean to interrupt your pants.
You have no legs, Lieutenant Dan.
Bubba Grump Shrimp. Forrest Gump.
We cooked all kinds of shrimp. Cajun shrimp, gumbo shrimp, macaroni shrimp, baked shrimp, scalloped shrimp, boiled shrimp, spicy shrimp. Heck, we even started our own business called Bubba Gump Shrimping. Then I ran into Jenny after the war. She had this boyfriend who hit her. That's all I remember.
Mama always used to say life is like a box of chocolates. I may not be a smart man.
Oh, I got no one. Sorry. You finished. No, you finished.
No, that's just it. I may not be a smart man. Is he like me?
You could tell a lot about a person by their shoes, where they've been, how they've been, how long they've been going. I'm gonna end this video here, boys. We are doing a lot today, and we really wanted to get the Veilside midpipe install and have fun with that, but we need to spend a lot of time on what you can see behind me. Don't wanna say too much, but if you follow TJ Hunt Clips, there's so much content you guys are missing out on. We're buying cars, we're doing secret things that I can't tell you, but if you wanna be in on the head down to that channel, subscribe. We're trying to hit 100K. When we hit 100K, something cool is gonna happen. But thank you guys for watching this video. I'm happy to be back. 2023 is gonna be an absolute unit of a year. Think about the favorite builds we've ever done. Think about right now, what are the favorite builds you've seen on the channel? We're gonna do pretty much all those again, but way better. This year is gonna top every other year combined for all the craziness that we have lined up. So many cool things I wanna tell you guys about. Even got huge news today on stuff like, this is gonna be our year. Thank you guys for watching. Yeah, this year's a big mic drop. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out and keep moving forward.
I will do it right on the cheek.
We're clearly interrupting something. Are you guys ready?
I've been Rizzy. We've been waiting on
your ass. Smells good, Tej. What we got in the box?
One more time.
I could feel that on my hand.
Is that from Tome? Smells good.
Oh, hey. I don't stick my
Elbow deep, Cal?
I don't
Come
go
on,
elbow deep.
dude.
Nah, dude. Nah, dude.
Anthony.
Dude. Nice
I don't know
pipe.
how everyone knows it's so big.
Nice pipe. Eureka.
Pants don't lie. You can see the outline. Okay, all right.